YouTube, what's good? We're back. Um, I guess we're 1 for 2 this week since we took a L yesterday. Today's short was as obvious as it gets. The 4 hour, we're obviously bearish. We're pushing past these 4 hour lows right here. Also, as well as filling up this big ass gap that Trump made. Hourly pre-market, we had to inverse this 1 hour gap. Market open, we fill up this hour gap, which is but the initial trade I was looking for was from this hourly gap, 15-minute gap to the downside. But since yesterday I got manipulated early on, I think it was like 6 minutes into market open. I wanted to be a little bit more patient. So that's basically exactly what I did. I let this play out, and I basically caught a little retrace part of it, which was from this 5 minute inverse, filled the midpoint of the inverse, and trade right there and then. Um, I I really didn't have any other target to the downside. I would have loved to have held this longer, but as y'all could see, like there's nothing else to the downside other than this fat ass gap. So I pretty much took profits right here and there. Like I just took at that low was the only really spot to take profits unless you wanted to hold that bitch and of hopes and dreams to the downside and just try to catch those 1,000 points. I didn't catch them on the TradeAway accounts, though they're still sitting fresh. For those who don't believe, they're right there. I have one eval left. Um, yeah, just to prove to y'all, because I know a lot of people on the internet are not as transparent as it can be, and I'm just trying to keep it a buck with y'all. Um, those are still sitting. I wanted to take the short off this 15 minute with that eval that y'all see right there, and I have two lucid evals as well on the Tradecopia trade syncer. So yeah, I mean I haven't touched those at all basically since like the beginning of last week, and I don't know. I just love the platform platform. It's so much easier. It's literally just drag and drop everything for the Yahoo trade. Oh yeah, this is the profit for the day. 1,500 against two accounts. It was like, I think the math was like $3,104, some shit like that. Some shit like that. I don't know. But again, as it should be, one trade should recover a L if you have the proper risk management. Y'all saw yesterday we lost 1,100 and some change. Today we made 3,100 and some change. That's $2,000 profit. Y'all should obviously fucking know that some obvious simple shit. Risk management is the only way to stay alive. When it comes to trading, risk management and discipline. Don't go on tilt. And yeah, I don't know what else to explain, bro. Like this is a pretty obvious short. We're obviously bearish, so we could come lower, of course, which is probably the push most people are looking for. But I'm cool with taking my little piece of the pie. And again, yeah, we did it all on fucking live. Um, Majority of the Discord caught this shit with us. Was that whoever was in there watching? Um, they know damn well that we made some bread, and they made some bread too. I saw a few people buy some evals and shit like that. A few people took some profit on the PAs. It's a good day overall. But with that being said, if you do want to trade with me, the link will be down below. As well as if you want to see every other fucking trade I've taken this year, it's also posted on YouTube. I'm trying to keep it as transparent as possible, show everything. And yeah, I mean, payout day coming soon. Hopefully, I haven't really touched a lot of the PAs on the TradeAway accounts, on the Alpha accounts, and well, as y'all see, we're just trading the top steps as of this week. I don't know why. I tend to struggle to do both at the same time because I'm focused on like basically execution. Even though I know top step is quick drag, plug and play. Um, I don't like trading on Tradebase. It's kind of annoying. Like the whole like having to do here, limit order, da da, like that shit's gay to me. But I mean, oh, it's kind of the only option, so I gotta do it regardless. But yeah, quick load dub today, man. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4 minute trade. 4 minute trade. Pretty simple. This data low was at break even. Forgot to mention that for those of you who care about that. That data low was the break even. And yeah. Peace.